My name is Marcus and I'm a hairdresser and educator for more than 30 years now. The new Basic Cut Solid Graduated Forms workshop is dedicated to solid and graduated forms in different lengths. It is intended for haircutting beginners to get to know the basics as well as for advanced students who want to perfect their skills. We start with a blunt bob and we progress with a graduated bob. And we end with a graduated short pixie haircut. In addition, a separate chapter is dedicated for the right blow drying techniques for these haircuts. If you choose the Basic Cut Solid and Graduated Form workshop, you will develop the confidence you need to further increase your talent and become a true haircutting expert, I promise. So let's start and find it out.